Let's make a floral pouch out of this Dollar General oven mitt. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so here's an oven mitt. I got it from Dollar General. We're going to cut the bottom and the little thumb part off. Then I'm using a tapestry needle and I'm lacing on some jute. And we're going to just lace the jute all on the bottom just to close the bottom. Now I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to be a little challenging to get this needle through, but if you just separate the two pieces of the oven mitt and just kind of pull on one and then the other, it's much easier. And you're going to go all the way across the bottom. Now you could be fancy schmancy and make, and go all the way back and make X's, but I'll be honest with you, I couldn't make that work. I think that I just lost interest after trying to do this all the way across because it did take a little bit of effort, but I think it looks super cool. But you could certainly use any yarn or floss, probably would get it through the fabric much easier. But see, there we go. It's all the way across. Ta-da! And then all I'm going to do is sneak that jute back up through, I'll go in between one of the laces or... See how I'm doing it here? I'm just finding a little hole and I'm putting it through, and then we're just going to pull through and then just cut the excess jute off. I make it sound so simple. You know what? Listen, I'm going to tell you, I know somebody's going to be watching this and they're going to be like, why would she do it like this? Listen, I do all my projects on the fly. I'll do the project and then later go, oh, I probably should have done it this way. Listen, love me through it, right? But there it is. Ta-da! And look you could fit a can in this. I'm not kidding. Isn't that cool? I'm not going to use mine. I don't know if I'm going to use it with a can, but this way it enables you to be able to put like a real plant in it. Now I had gotten this little garland from Dollar General as well. By the way, they were all on sale and it had a little tag on the back and a tassel. So I removed the tag and I put 2 holes on the sides where we would put a hanger. Now, again, this is where another one of those, why did she do it like that, comes in. I should have probably done it differently, but whatever. I added some jute, like a loop of it, just so that we could tie the garland onto the jute. And I did that on both sides. So is it the ideal way? No, it isn't, but that's okay. Then I just added a little knot to that little tag, just so it looks like it's gotten, so it's not a raw hole. And again, if you wanted to put that can in there, you could. It fits quite nicely. Look at how cute, right? And then if you hang it, like super cute, like quit it. That's super cute. But I didn't. I just added some flowers. Again, these are from Dollar General and they were all on sale. So I added my florals. Then I put a little glue on the back of my little Simply Blessed tag and then added that to the top and stop. Like, look at how cute this is. I think it's adorable. It reminds me of a little kid going out and collecting wildflowers for their parent. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy, but whatever. I think it's adorable. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this inspires you.